the 119 machine, you can see Team Ernie the Badger.
We felt he let himself down. He let me down. He just let a lot of people down. We were disappointed. It was a disgrace.
So this is going to be the fourth test of setup on microphone with the GoPro, because I've been having problems with the wind noise being too loud and making it pop and click. So if this works, this video will go out. It'll be a how to fix the popping on GoPro and motovlogging. Watched somebody else do it. I've watched one that said, oh, we need to change the settings to stereo on the mic instead of automatic or wind. That hadn't worked. I did move the microphone a little bit more, took behind the cheek piece, which seemed to reduce it, and I changed it for a Purple Panda lavalier mic, but still got a little bit of popping. The other solution that I'm trying now is to put an inline volume control in to reduce the volume that the microphone's putting out, and therefore overloading the GoPro, to reduce the gain on it. So next little section she'll get up to 60-70 miles an hour, and we'll see what it sounds like. So if your video sounds like this, and you want it to sound like this, this sound is okay, then I fixed it. If it's still popping, then I haven't.